Hello, my name is Frida. Welcome to Safri Kitchen.
Hey guys, I'm Sarah from Safri Kitchen.
Hello Team Safri Kitchen, welcome back in our kitchen. So today let's make chicken wings. So I have already cleaned them, so we'll start by marinating them. We'll start by adding soy sauce, oregano, salt to taste, garam masala, curry powder, tangawizi, that is ginger, black pepper, two tablespoons of corn flour, wheat flour, garlic, mustard for that nice taste, baking powder, and 2 eggs. And now mix everything together. So here this is corn flour. I'll add wheat flour, I'll also add the same spices that we used in marinating the chicken, that is oregano, curry powder, black pepper, garam masala, and finally salt. I'll combine everything. I'll also add some little amount of baking powder. So our chicken is ready. 1 hour later, it's nicely marinated. So what we do, we'll be dipping each individual piece in this flour. Make sure you coat it nicely. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep on supporting us. Also comment, like, share, and let us know what other recipe you want us to prepare. So the oil is super hot as it is required. So I'm gonna dip in my chicken wings bits by bits. I think I'll do 4. So our first batch is ready. You have to make sure that you drain all the oil. Give the oil some 2 to 3 minutes to get super hot, because you have to dip it in the oil when it's super hot. So our second batch is ready. Super crunchy. So our chicken is ready and it's very hot. So our chicken wings are ready. See you in the next video.